Welcome to our channel. If you want to open a Robinhood account to start trading stocks and cryptocurrencies commission-free, follow this simple guide. Step 1. Download the Robinhood app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, or visit Robinhood.com to sign up through their website. Step 2. Tap Sign Up and enter your email address and create a secure password for your account. Step 3. Verify your email by clicking the link sent to your inbox, then return to the app or website to continue. Step 4. Provide your personal information, including full legal name, date of birth, social security number, and phone number for identity verification. Step 5. Answer questions about your employment status, investment experience, and financial information to help Robinhood understand your investor profile. Step 6. Link your bank account by providing your bank's routing number and account number, or by using instant verification through your online banking login. Step 7. Review and agree to Robinhood's terms of service, customer agreement, and disclosure documents. Step 8. Wait for account approval, which typically happens within minutes. Once approved, you can fund your account and start trading immediately. Some features may require additional verification. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.